Welcome back, everyone. Today we're in North Raleigh touring a townhome by MI Homes of Raleigh. This model is the Hawthorne 2, and it is a townhome that's a little different, guys. It's not attached at the front, but it is attached in the back by the screen porch. So let's get in. When you first come in, there's a bedroom with a full bath that is currently being used as an office for the sales agent, so we won't go in there today. But just take a look at how bright and airy and open it is as you walk in. It's very flowy, the windows. For a townhome, you almost can't tell that it's a townhome. It looks like a single family home. Again, it only attaches by the back porch. As we walk into the kitchen area and the living room, it's a very open floor plan. And what I like the most is the island, guys. It's a beautiful white island. It's a little larger than your typical island. So if you're like me, you like to entertain, then it's probably really nice for you. We do see a gas stove. We also saw that the high-end appliances, that they come with the high-end appliances. So gas stove and high-end appliances, really something that is a great addition when you buy a home and not to have to worry about that. So we're going to head upstairs to the second floor and take a look at the layout of this floor plan. Now keep in mind, this floor plan is 3 stories. However, it can be built as a 2-story floor plan. This is currently a little over 3,000 square feet. The 2-story is going to be about 2,500 square feet, and it starts at the 575. So here's the first bedroom we're taking a look at. If you have kids and they still like to share a bedroom, perfect situation for them. We're walking into the owner's suite, very well lit and open. Beautiful, beautiful decorations. And here we are coming into the bathroom. You have a spa-like shower, dual vanity. Let's take a look. Very nice. So over here, we're going to take a look at the walk-in closet. Very nice size. I know me personally, most of it would be mine if my partner and I had to share. And then the bathroom is closed off for privacy, which I really like. So as we take a look, we're still on the second floor. We have 2 additional bedrooms on the second floor, guys. This is going to be a bedroom here. Very open and well lit as well. You have another bedroom off to the side. And then there's going to be another full bath right here. They currently have the lights off in certain areas to preserve energy. All right, we're heading up to that 3rd floor, guys. Getting to work out today. So I did ask the sales agent how much about does this 3rd floor cost? And I believe she said up between $40,000 and $60,000 for the additional 3rd floor. So if it's something that interests you, I would go ahead and build it and not worry about it. The $40,000 to $60,000 is worth it up front if you're looking to grow your family or have people come visit. So look at this bonus room. A lot of fun, the TV, entertainment, somewhere you can just come have family come over, hang out when you have cookouts and things and such like that. Another full bathroom was there too. So we're gonna head downstairs, guys. I wanna let you all see the screened-in porch and like the view of the actual backyard. It's very peaceful, very serene, and I think that it's a nice addition to this townhome. Again, it is not attached in the front, so you get a single family feel, but it's attached for the back. And so I asked the agent, what type of people are interested in this community? And she said all downsizers, of course, relocators, and people who primarily knows the North Raleigh area, because this is one of the #1 places to live in Raleigh. It just has so much at its fingertips. So let's take a look at the screened-in porch. So another addition you would not have to worry about, right? It has a ceiling fan and enough room for you to have company over, come sit out in the evenings when the spring and the summer and really enjoy yourself.